Hi, this platform is going to allow you turn your selfie into a cartoon. Yes, into a cartoon. But before that, I would like you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Visit cartoonifier.com to access the platform. And you can begin the process by signing in with your Gmail account. Yes, meaning you would have to get a Gmail account before you access the platform. So that is what I'm doing now. After signing in with your Google account, you click on Dashboard to access where you can start to create your cartoon. At this point, you choose from your photos the one that you want to turn into a cartoon. So that is what I am going to do now. I am going to select one of the photos I have in my gallery and I click Continue. But before that, I would have to input a name for the cartoon and click Continue. As we wait for it to load, you use this opportunity to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So at this point, we input a prompt. That is how you want the cartoon to be like. This is Eddie B's image. So I am going to input a prompt now. Eddie B as a man wearing a hoodie whilst performing and holding a mic, or let's say a microphone. Let's see if that works out. But as we go through the process, leave your questions in the comment box below. Hit the like button as I'll get to know where to further assist you. So after you input the prompt, you check the box and you generate your cartoon. It will take some time, so let's wait patiently. It is being generated now. From the prompt that we entered, a collection has been made available for us. So this is Eddie B in different forms, holding a mic and on stage. I don't know if it looks like Eddie B or the picture entered, but you can share your comments with us in the box below. And I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification for more videos. See you soon.